स्त्री मेरे लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल फिल्म है।
स्त्री ने हमेशा हमें सिर्फ दिया है।
अगर हम उसका सेकंड पार्ट लेकर आ रहे हैं तो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स बिगर, बेटर, फनियर, स्केरियर, सब एक साथ।
इतनी स्पेशल फिल्म है, इतना सारा प्यार मिला है फिल्म को, बहुत ही हम्बलिंग है।
आई थिंक हम सबके करियर में एक बहुत लंबी जंप दी थी स्त्री 1 ने, और आई थिंक स्त्री 2 जो है दोबारा एक बहुत लंबी जंप हमको देने वाली है।
आप फिल्म देख के खुश होते हैं, हम लोग बनाते हुए बहुत खुश हुए इस फिल्म को।
So we're all the same characters. The world is the same. And of course, before going on set, it felt like, अरे 5 साल गुजर गए हैं. It's been a long time. But the moment, I think I can say this for our entire gang, maybe that the moment we went back on set, the moment we started getting back into the zone of Stree, maybe it felt like, अरे it's not been that long. ऐसा लगा कि it's a continuation of the journey of the first part. And very honestly, when you're on set with this group and everyone is just, of course, I mean, as I said, extremely talented, and I just think so excited to be a part of a film like this. Very few actors, I think, get to be a part of an entertaining film which has a deeper social message also. So it just felt like not much time has passed, but at the same time it felt like, okay, it is a new journey because now the threat is larger. The characters are moving forward in their own journeys as well. But this has been one of the best films for me, the best group, the best gang that I could be a part of. And, I really feel very, very lucky that they feel like I could have been included in this. But I feel extremely empowered by the journey. I feel like the subliminal messaging of the film, even with the first part, I think it's incredible that Dino decided to make a film like this, which makes society think and makes us think in the most entertaining way. So I think that I do feel very, very empowered, and I do feel very empowered, I have to say. I don't know if Dino knows this and if Amar knows this, but I do feel empowered to be fearless in the kind of films that I want to do as well, and they've actually played a role in this. For all of us, our characters are the same, as I was saying, and all our characters move forward. The narrative is moving forward, and it is, as I was saying, an extremely special film for me, where you're entertaining everybody and at the same time giving a very, very important message. I think it's similar to what I said before. It's the same world, but the threat is larger, and my character still maybe has that mystery, and just the way in Stree 1, it leaves you with questions. Some questions will be answered in this one, but there will be new questions as well.
And about the pressure, I would say, we were really happy making Stree 2. We were, as Amar said, we were keenly waiting to be back together on set. We had a lot of fun making it, and the kind of reports we've also been hearing, I think it's a great sign. It's a great sign for cinema, that a film like Stree 2 is coming, which got so much of love in part 1, and now we can't wait for all of you to go and watch it, because we are pretty sure that you guys will love it and just make it your own.
And of course, as we're talking about, the business of the film and the reports, etc., there is no bigger feeling than the kind of love that you get from the audiences and the kind of love that a film gets from the audiences. I think that is the ultimate kind of validation.
हमने गाना रेडी कर दिया था, कल लॉन्च था, तो हम सोच रहे थे कि आवाज़ कहाँ से लाएं। तो एक्चुअली मैंने पवन सिंह को एक शादी में गाते हुए सुना था, और वहाँ जिगर भी था मेरे साथ, जो म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर है सचिन जिगर, तो उसने नाम लिया, तो अपन बोला कल लॉन्च है, हमें पवन सिंह जी से मैं कभी मिला नहीं हूँ, उन्हें क्रेडिट देना पड़ेगा। हमने रात को फ़ोन किया, सुबह डब हुआ और रात को लॉन्च हुआ। और हमें ऑनेस्टली मालूम नहीं था, हमें मालूम था कि वो एक बहुत बड़े स्टार हैं वहाँ, लेकिन इतने बड़े स्टार हैं ये हमें लॉन्च के बाद मालूम पड़ा, क्योंकि उन्होंने जैसे इस गाने को और स्त्री को अपनाया, बिकॉज श्रद्धा और राज गए थे और मैंने 2-3 क्लिप्स देखी, उन्होंने इतना प्यार दिया है। और मैंने रियलाइज किया है कि एक नॉर्थ की एक खासियत है कि जब प्यार करते ना पूरा दिल खोल के करते हैं, कंजूसी नहीं है उसमें। तो मैं तहे दिल से उनका शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज आई नहीं को अगर वो नहीं आते तो आई नहीं होते इन अ वे। सो कोई किन पिक्चरों में हर गाने की एक किस्मत होती है, तो वो हमेशा लास्ट 24 घंटे में निखर के आता है। और ये ऐसा बैठा है कि मेरा जो 2.5 साल का बेटा है, वो आज राज को मिला तो वो उसको बोल रहा था, तो ये बोला मेरे को ना क्या काका बोला काकी तो बोला ये काकी क्यों बुला रहा है राज को, ये तो वो काटी बोल रहा था उनको। So that is the power of good music. So I judge music with how my children react to it, because I feel they are the most honest. So if he likes a song, generally it goes through the roof, because it's that simple. So yeah, thank you to Pawan Singh ji for स्त्री को 4 चांद लगाने के लिए, and thank you for Raj for becoming Kaki of my son.
I'm his Kaki. Yeah.
You're his Kaki.
अच्छा सर,
But I want to add to that कि मैंने श्रद्धा ने लाइव विटनेस किया है that पवन सिंह जी is truly a power star, जिनको बुलाया जाता है। हमने वो फ्रेंजी देखी है, वो क्रेज देखा है, वो पावर देख लिया है। And also I want to add here, because आपने सही एकदम चुना। I think तीनों की दिनेश की एक कमाल की खासियत है कि वो जिस तरह की चीजों को देखते हैं, like this was a great idea of thinking कि let's have पवन सिंह for this song a night before। तो I think that's why I think बहुत सारे लोग आजकल उनको गोल्डन बॉय ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री बोल रहे हैं कि वो जो भी टच कर रहे हैं वो सोना बन रहा है, टच वुड, डायमंड भी बनता रहे। And I think it's his vision also, the way he sees things, the kind of confidence he has on his films. A lot of times people are like, yeah, but ये वाली film नहीं, लेकिन no, I have faith in this film. I'm going to put it out there, and it works for him. I don't know how he does it, but it's great how he does it.
दोबारा से राजू अलग से इस पे प्रकाश डालेंगे इस बात पे, लेकिन मैं ऑलरेडी अगर दोनों की तरफ से बात बोल सकूं तो आई थिंक हम दोनों की लाइफ में जो स्त्री आई, पत्रलेखा इनकी लाइफ में, आकृति मेरी लाइफ में, आई थिंक सिंस देन एक आप शुरू से आप में टैलेंट होता है, हार्डवर्क करने की एक इच्छा होती है, यू आर चेजिंग योर ड्रीम्स, लेकिन थिंग्स कभी ना एंड्स मीट नहीं हो रहे होते हैं। The moment somebody comes into your life and just completes everything, I think वही जो आप कह रहे हैं कि मैं तो कह रहा हूँ, मतलब शुक्र है वो हुआ, शायद पहले हुआ तो शायद और बेटर जर्नी चल रही होती। So touch wood, whatever little I have achieved in my life, उस स्त्री का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। उस स्त्री की एक उंगली की रिंग मैं भी पहन के आया हूँ उससे। She's here, and now I have another स्त्री in my life who is my 3-year-old daughter, and touch wood, I think God has been very kind. Things could have been better.
I think both of us, I can again speak on both of us behalf, but I think we've been so lucky that we found such amazing women in our life. And there's nothing more beautiful than love. Just being in love and just keep falling in love every day again and again with the same person. It's the most beautiful feeling. And today I'm sitting here is because of her, because she keeps me grounded, she keeps me real, she guides me well. She is my strength, she is the love of my life. So yeah. Nothing more than that.
Being a woman in itself is a superpower, and I feel like it's a film like Stree also. To have a film that is called Stree is very empowering, I think, for me, for women around as well. And so I just feel like, I don't know if this answers your question, but I feel like being a woman in itself is a superpower. I think I am the most correct kind of red flag. And actually क्या होता है कि when you're growing up, गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज यू सिट एंड यू मेक अ लिस्ट, करेक्ट, कि मुझे ऐसा पार्टनर चाहिए, मुझे ऐसी गर्लफ्रेंड चाहिए, ऐसा बॉयफ्रेंड चाहिए. बट द लिस्ट दैट आई मेक is what kind of a partner do I want to be, and what kind of qualities that I want to have. And that is what I focus on, that, you know, I want to be the best kind of partner because I fully believe in a fairy tale romance and I would want to be the best partner for my partner.
इसीलिए दोनों पीछे पड़े हुए हैं, because she's become the best partner.